Good morning, Bitcoin. Today is Sunday, August 13th, 2017. My name is Thomas Hunt, and here's what's happening today in Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin was up 4.73% in the last 24 hours, with a last of 39.69, an all-time high of 41.52, and a low of 37.84. Bcash difficulty 80% more profitable to mine the original chain. The price of Bcash was $303, and the opportunity cost for mining Bcash is just in. More than $2.5 million have been lost by miners who could have mined Bitcoin to make more money. CNBC reports Bitcoin vaults to new record above 4K, boosted by Japan, and multiplying its value fourfold. But you were watching the charts all last night, so you already know that. Bitcoin is within striking distance of $5,000 after big milestone. Some of us even thought it might go there last night. It just kept climbing and climbing and climbing. Buy Bitcoin sign appears during DOTA International Tournament. A bit of an imitation of the Janet Yellen sign, but it's always good to see Bitcoin on TV, even at a video game tournament. And finally, there was another story, but it's not here. The Russian central banks are announcing that they're going to create their own cryptocurrency wallet. This is a major change for Russia, who previously had banned Bitcoin and had no interest in having their banks make a centralized wallet. Not sure where that story went, but we're also joined by Jimmy Song for a check of the current Bitcoin scaling. How's it going, Jimmy?
It's going great. It looks like Bitcoin Cash is continuing to mine at around roughly the same rate. As you said, Bitcoin has gone up significantly in the last few days, so that's made it a lot less profitable to mine Bitcoin Cash because the opportunity cost of going instead on Bitcoin is it's tremendous. It looks like SegWit is still scheduled for August 22nd. So that's going to be the first day that we're going to see segregated witness transactions. There's the story of a new Lightning wallet that's coming out. So I forget the name of it. I really should know it. But we'll talk about it a lot more, I think, in the coming days. And obviously, the SegWit makes Lightning Network transactions a lot easier with the fixes to transaction malleability. That's about the news for this Sunday. Obviously, everyone's happy about the price, and I have to get my wife a new kitchen now. All right.
Whenever the price goes up, you've got to buy a kitchen. We're also joined by Tone Vase for a quick check of the markets. If everyone could give us a thumbs up and a share, that'd be great. All right, Tone, go ahead.
Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you can hear me okay. I'm kind of in the car driving down to the airport, about to head to Toronto and to speak at the Bitcoin/Ethereum event. And after that, I will be headed to Russia, so I'll get more information from the ground on what's going on with the Russian government and any kind of wallets. Every time I do that, it's just Russia is like all over the place, like we said. Yeah, so no charts today because that would be very difficult, and I might give people on the show a heart attack. So I'm just going to talk about it in general. Last night, the price just kept climbing. And like I said on these previous shows, there was a bit of a difference between the exchanges, between Bitfinex and Bitstamp. The price was either going to top out on Friday or on Sunday. And today is kind of Sunday, but Sunday really starts at 8 p.m. on Saturday for me in New York. So last night when I was going to bed, I was watching the price almost hit $4,200. So that's pretty much topping out on that 9 on the Bitstamp chart. The 9 on Bitfinex came a little bit earlier. The weekly and the monthly are still bullish as they can possibly be. So what we are looking at here is a potential 1 to 4 day pullback. And then sometime mid next week, the bull market is going to resume, and that is assuming we're going to get a pullback. I mean, the prices are all over the place. I mean, even bears that were patient could have made money on shorting Bitcoin at the top. It definitely goes up and down. I wouldn't be in the rush to sell right now. I still think the near-term price is right to go higher, and I'm still looking for a top near the end of September when the 2x people start screaming that 5,000 is terrible. We need a bigger block. So what if the price falls to 1,000? It's a good thing. So that's what I'm kind of waiting for coming in October. But till then, it's going to be great.
All right. Thanks, Tone, for that report. And we'll be back with these shows again tomorrow. So thanks again for everybody for watching. We're just going to put up the QR code and we'll be back. Bye-bye.